Hi users, welcome back again, and this video is totally dedicated to follow-up sequences. Follow-up sequences is one of the best, one of the strongest, one of the most interesting, and one of the most powerful feature of my system, that is Arya Property Invest, here named as CC Commercial Invest. Now, please, I suggest you watch this video carefully because follow-up sequence is a lengthy process, but if learned very correctly, then you can do amazing things using this. Now, follow-up sequence has three types of services like email, text, and voicemail. For all of these three integrations and three services, three features, you have three different apps, that is FU emails, FU text, and FU voicemail. I'm going to start with your email. Over here, these three apps are there for making some kind of templates for your emails. When you see this, so this is a follow-up sequence email template, and it has some tags. I'm going to show you how. Okay, let's say we are making um, day one email coldly. Okay, so this is the title which I have given to my this template, and this is the subject. Now these two things, the subject and the body, these are going to get sent to your customer, so you need to program that correctly. Here you need to write hi. If you want tags, you can use the tags also. Here is the file for your replacement tag. For example, I want to type hi and I want to make it replace with the first name of the person. Here in this case, if the first name of the person is Stanley, so this template is going to send a message like, hey Stanley, and how are you? Okay. Now, same is the process over here. For example, you want to start, hey Stanley, and hi at the rate first name, how are you? I want to talk to you on the property. Now I'm going to use the city tag, which is over here, and this is going to replace it with the city. Please let me know when can we meet. Okay, now you want to put some signature or you want to put some name. For example, this is the acquisition manager first name. Let's say here it will be Maurice, comma, because we are going to start for this person. The first name of this person is Maurice, so it will be Maurice, and the email signature, which will be the settings default signature, or we can pick up from we can write the signature manually if Maurice want to write it manually, or we can put it like this. And you can also use more replacement tags. I'm not going to show you every replacement tag, but yeah, I'm just giving you a gist, an idea how you can use the replacement tags, and you can go ahead with that. This is coming from settings app. This is coming from again settings app. This is company phone from settings. Full name is the seller full name. First name is the seller first name. Property address, it contains the whole property address with street, city, state, zip, and country. Now these are segregated into street, city. Sometimes it's going to happen you don't want to type the full property address, you don't want to give full property address, you just want to refer to some city or some zip code, so you can use all of these tags. Okay, I have already provided you this file, you can see and you can check it over here from this video. Now I'm going to save this template. Okay, for example, I am making more templates. You can just go ahead and make as many templates as you want, like add another one. Now I'm going to come to the text part, and similarly in the text you need to hit this button, add FU text, and let's say day one told me, and I'm just going to put that message which I had in my email, or I can modify it. Now that's the beauty of this, that it totally depends on you how attractive is your content, how beautifully it is written, how you can grab the attention of your customer. For example, you can put some numbers that, hey, 7 reasons to close the deal with us, 5 reasons you should not go ahead and sign any deal, or something like that. That does depend on you. So you can put all these things over here. And if it is written email signature, I'm going to replace it with the SMS signature because this is an SMS template. Okay, now this, and save. You can also replace the content. Now I'm going to show you another app, which is our voicemail. Now voicemail, as I told you in my previous videos, if you've seen this, so you need to put the exact name of that slide broadcast recording, exact name of slide broadcast audio. For example, if this is a day to cold follow up RVM. Okay, so this is the title. This is title for your reference, but this audio name test should be exactly same as in your slide broadcast. Already I've given the video on this, please watch that. Okay, once these three things are made, or it depends on you what type of combination you want. Now I need to make a template for my follow-up sequence. Now this is the interesting part. Always remember, there's a caution. There is an app named as follow-up sequences template, and there is another app, FU sequences. You have to make a template over here. You don't have to do anything over here. I repeat, you have to make the template in this FU sequence template. You don't need to do something over here. I'm telling you this because these two apps look similar. Inside of this is similar, but you don't need to do anything over here. You just need to add the template over here, the follow-up sequence template. Now, go and check the recording. Okay. Okay. Now you need to add the follow sequence template, and this is my cold lead follow up. Whenever you make a template, just hit this title, save it. Okay. Go ahead over here, copy this part, Control A, and I'm just going to do copy. And whatever template you make over here, this title, this needs to be copied and pasted over here in the modified template things. Now these are the things which you need to do on your own, and that's the part of the system because this has to be dynamic. Okay, where are my follow sequence? Over here. Okay, so this is my follow selection. I need to hit the modified template, and I'm going to go over here. It's gone over here. Yeah, the follow-up selection, I need to type this cold lead follow-up and hit on done. Now this makes sure, why I'm doing this is because this makes sure that you are using this follow-up sequence template. So it means that uh, you are referencing the same follow-up sequence which is over here, the template which you made. So you need to do that part. Okay, if there is a mistake of any alphabet or a space at the starting or space at the end or vice versa, then this sequence will not work because it has to be exactly same over here. Even a single dot will hamper the backend. Now over here in this template, I'm going to go ahead and put my email. Let's say I want to put email on the first day. Okay. And I also want my SMS to go on the same day. Okay. So I've done this thing. Now, for example, after 10 days, I want to send my RVM, which is day 2 cold follow-up. Let's say it's after 10 days. Now after 14 days, I want to send again an SMS. Okay. After 20 days, I want to send, okay, I want to send one email. I want to send one text. I want to send one voicemail. So this is the thing, this is the interesting part of the follow sequence, that you can use combinations also. Either you can use it for fully email, you can make a template that only emails and put all the emails over here. You can put only SMS and you can put all the SMS over here. So you can use it as a drip campaign also. But if you want to use the combination of emails and SMS or voicemails, so you can use this like that. Now, one more thing over here you need to remember is that this action one is going to get executed immediately as soon as you choose the follow-up sequence. Okay, the second action is going to get executed 10 days later the time it was started. Now this action 14 is not after 10 days, it's after the sequence has started. So it means that sequence started today on 15th of March, and this after 14 days of 15th of March is going to start this. Not that 10 days, okay, the sequence started on 15, then after 10 days, let's say 10 days is 25th of March, this is started, and then after 14 days of 25th of March, this is going to start started. No, it's not like that. It takes the date from the starting. After 10 days, perform action 2. After 14 days of sequence started, perform action 3. After 20 days of the sequence started, perform action 4. You can also put as many as that. You can also put 400, or you can put 365, 1 year follow-up, and you can put the template over here. Okay, so you need to fill all these fields from yourself. So this is how you are going to make your templates, and you're going to design these. Now it depends on you how wisely, how beautifully you can design all these things. Now you need to watch the second video, and I'll talk about how you can start the sequence and how they are going to respond it.